Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to link Twitch account to Marvel Rivals. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and help us reach our milestone of 1000 subscribers. Okay, so let's dive in. Now first of all, open Chrome or any browser on your computer and type here Marvel Rivals. Press enter. Go on their official website and just click over here on top right on login. Log in with your account. For example, I have a Stream account, so I will go with this one. Now sign in with your account. You will see an interface like enter your username and password, enter your username and password, and click on sign in. Now as you can see, I have logged in with my account. Now again click on this on top right and click on my account. Okay, now go over here on connections and click on connect. Now keep in mind your Twitch account and your Marvel Rivals account should be signed in with the same email. Okay, now click on authorize. And that's it guys. Your Twitch account is linked successfully.